Welcome back, everyone. You're here in our 3D Project Planning Resource Center, and we're going to continue the conversation around researching vendors and what to look for when evaluating vendors for industry-specific expertise. The first is their understanding of the industry-specific rules, like NKBA practices or National Kitchen and Bath Association rules and regulations for designing and building and renovating bathrooms and kitchens. The next is really an understanding of the customer journey. What does it look like for buying and purchasing products within your category? And then the last is really an understanding of the products themselves, the geos and the materials that are required for 3D content modeling. Ask those potential vendors to give you some samples. Look at some real live models that they have produced and what do they look like in the various 3D experiences. Have them provide a website to show you an example of a live client application. That way you can get a sense and a feel of the level of realism, the quality, and how that actually performs. So how much experience is enough experience within your given industry? You might have some vendors that have done one project within your category, but I would ask that you would want to check them out and go further. Really understand their level of expertise, their knowledge of the rules and the best practices within your category to pressure test that a bit. Other cases, you may have vendors that have a demonstrated track record of performance and experience and case studies and testimonials. Are they going to be around for the long haul? Will they future-proof your business? Well, there you have it. We've covered the topic of researching vendors, why industry expertise matters, and what you should be looking for when evaluating potential vendors for your 3D experiences, and looking at the industry expertise as well. We've provided some free resources, so check out in the comments. There's an article for you to learn a little bit more. We've also provided a checklist to help you with that vendor evaluation and exploration process. And so make sure you subscribe as well, because we've got another video coming up where we talk about building out your 3D project charter. Let's get going.